I've got a 2019 Audi A5 Sportback. It's a very practical car. I love owning it, but there's one thing that does bother me, and that is the fact that it doesn't have a spare wheel. Instead of a spare wheel, it has a tyre inflation kit, and the idea behind that is to pump foam into the wheel to inflate the tyre, seal the puncture and go on your merry way, but it doesn't work. I had to use it once, it was completely useless. It didn't fill up the wheel at all, so I was still at square one. That is why I've decided to put a spare wheel in my vehicle. I discovered that there is one type of space saver which should fit any A5 from 2007 up to my model, which is the 2019. I went online and I found one for £90, which was actually out of an RS5. And I have it with me here. The dimensions that you need are 125, 70, 19. So let's see if it fits. As you can see, I am able to get the wheel into the back of the car. It fits over the battery, over the subwoofer, and I'm able to screw it in and it's completely flush. But it does leave me with one remaining problem. Where does everything else go? Fortunately, this cubbyhole on the left is a lot more spacious than it seems. I'm able to get my jack in there, I'm able to get my pump in there, and I'm even able to store the original tyre inflation kit. And the remaining tools fit perfectly well around the wheel. I can now drive this vehicle with so much more peace of mind. If you, like me, have an Audi A5 and you hate the tyre inflation kits, you now know that it's possible to change it. I hope that helps, I hope that gives you peace of mind, and good luck.